Warning, this is graphic content, so this is one of the reasons why grooming is an essential service. This is the back of a Sheltie, which looks completely normal. Underneath this hair lies a very large sore that is infected. This dog is very well cared for, and we see him on a 4-week schedule. The owner was unaware that this was there because the hair is so thick it would be impossible to see unless you lifted the hair to look underneath. We did not notice this sore ourselves until we got him into the bathtub. I shaved the area around the sore so the vet can get a better look at it. I always have a first aid kit on hand for situations like this, so I wrapped the area. This is an example how groomers can catch medical issues before they become a serious problem. This is a different Sheltie, just to show a comparison so you can understand why an owner may have not seen this underneath all of that fur. Grooming is an essential service.